Hello, little friend. I'm a flower, and this is the story of my life. I started as a tiny seed, sleeping under the soil. It was dark and quiet, but I wasn't scared. I was waiting for the right time to wake up. One day, the sun warmed the earth, and the rain gave me a drink. I stretched and stretched until, pop! I peeked out of the ground. "Hello, world," I said, wiggling my tiny green leaves. Day by day, I grew taller and stronger. Then something amazing happened. I bloomed. My petals opened up like magic. They were soft, colorful, and smelled sweet, just like perfume. Bees came to visit me, buzzing happily. Butterflies danced around me. Even children smiled when they saw me. I loved making the world more beautiful. My life isn't very long, but that's okay. I give joy, help bees, and leave behind little seeds so more flowers like me can grow. So remember, even small things like me can bring big happiness. With love, your flower friend.